Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is understanding intelligence. What is this intelligence and how comes this intelligence? Intelligence comes from learning. To make ourselves perfect in any of the thing, we have to learn about that. And intelligence is used for what? We are using intelligence to draw the conclusions and to solve the problems. To solve different type of problem, we all required different type of intelligence. Like some of the persons are perfect in mathematics, some of the persons are perfect in kinesthetic intelligence, some are good in verbal, and some are good in music. See, these are the 8 different type of intelligence. Our first one is verbal intelligence. In this, people love with words. They just like to argue, debate, and discuss the things. And in this learning, the people who love verbal learning, they make great writers, poets, script writers, and orators. And our second one is mathematical logical intelligence, or we can say that logical intelligence. In this, people love numbers. They like to play with the numbers, they like to solve the puzzles, and they make good computer programmers, strategy game players, and they just believe in driving the conclusion from the given facts, like how this is solved and what is the logic in behind this. They believe in this to solve that. Our third one is musical intelligence person. Musical intelligence persons, they are very feelers and thinkers. They are very deep learning persons. They just feel the things and they have special knack to understand music and master it. And they are good composer. As they are very good listeners, so they become counselors also. They counsel the persons, and they are nature healers as well. Like we are not feeling good and our mood is not so good, then we will like to listen music. And our fourth one is visual intelligence. In this intelligence, people love to do the write the poetries, to do the drawing. As its name also tells us that visual means in this people like to create the things, to make the designs. They perceive and think about the things in graphics. Like some when we are going to make our house, firstly we are going to the architecture to draw the map, that how we start doing the things. So these type of persons becomes and designers, animators, filmmakers, and they are very good in drawing as well. Our fifth one is kinesthetic intelligence. In this, people love activities, movements, and touch. Like they don't believe that firstly they have to read the things. They believe that firstly we solve the things, we do with our hand, we visit the places before learning about them. And these type of people becomes sports person, soldier, dancer. And our sixth one is interpersonal. There is a little bit difference between the interpersonal and intrapersonal spelling. Interpersonal person are very open minded. They meet the people and contact them. They have many friends and they are popular among the masses. And they become lawyers, businessmen, teachers, and politicians, especially. And intrapersonal, they are often labeled as introverts or shy. They don't like to share their feelings with others. They don't like crowd. They avoid going the in the crowd. These type of peoples make great thinkers, spiritual, and personalities, and writers and painters. And naturalistic intelligence person, these type of people are empathetic, feelers, and kind of nature. These people love to like birds, they make farmers, social workers, and natural activities. They love rocks, soil, natural elements, and such people are closely interested in the nature and its phenomena. Like different intelligence, our different learning styles are also there. Yes, people learn in different styles too. Like some of the people are learning after exploring the themes, and learning is a perceiving fact and analyzing them to extract meaningful. That means we are having the data, and when we work on that data, then we get the information, then we learn from the data. Our four types of learning is there. One is visual. In visual learning, these type of learners input better when they are in visual, when they just see the pictures, when they see the charts and flow diagrams, they can learn more easily by seeing these things. Second type of learning is oral. In this type of learning, they are good listeners. Like sometimes some of the people are like that, they just listen the song once and they get all the song. But sometimes some of the childs are not like that. They can't learn the things after hearing once only. Such people who are good in the oral learning, they are very sharp, having very sharp memory and retention power also. And our third learning is verbal and written. In this, these learners are readers and writers. Some of the childs love to read the books, and then they are loving to make the notes also. Since they found of reading, their visualization power is also good. And our fourth learning is kinesthetic learning. In this learning, these learners are doers. They learn better when they involve in practical aspects of the concept. Like firstly, they do the practical of that thing, and then they learn by doing the practical that what actually the thing is. I hope you all got. Thank you and have a nice day.